Instant facelift and smile lines vanished? Yes, please. Let me show you the Peter Thomas Roth Instant FirmX Face Tightener. I've shown it before, but I want to show you how it can transform your skin. So last time I didn't show you guys with foundation. This time I'm going to show you with foundation. So first I'm mixing a small amount of the foundation with the cream, and it works so beautifully. As I apply it to one side of my face, you'll see how it visibly smooths and tightens the skin, creating a lifted, refreshed look while keeping the foundation flawless. By the way, this is a foundation that doesn't match my skin tone, but I'm taking a shower after this and I didn't want to waste a good foundation. So that's why I'm demonstrating this one. So ignore the orange. Okay, you're going to say that's like glue, but let me tell you how it works. The magic lies in the formula. It's packed with firming agents like peptides and film forming ingredients that temporarily tighten the skin's surface. This combination reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even smile lines in just minutes. And just for the heck of it, even though I already showed you guys what it looks like without makeup, I'm going to go ahead and remove my makeup to show you how it works on bare skin. So watch as I apply it to one side of my face, especially focusing on my smile lines, but also by my eye area. The difference is incredible, you guys. Skin looks smoother, firmer, and more youthful instantly. And it just is so easy to use, very quick. If you're ready to try it out for yourself, I made it easy to shop. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but there's a little shopping bag on the bottom of this video. It just makes it easier. You could click there to get the product for yourself, or you could just look for the link down below. I'll always try to do that for you guys. But as you can see, it works so well. You're supposed to wait like 3 to 7 minutes and you'll see the results, but I usually see it a lot quicker. And if you see any kind of residue, you just easily pat it off. No biggie, but I just love this product. I like how it just works, like I said, so instantly. And it does last. I actually had it on the other day for, I would say, about 6, 7 hours. And it goes so well, especially with my Armani foundation. I noticed it like a silicone based one. But all I did was just wash my face regularly and it came off. So yeah, definitely try it out if you haven't. I highly recommend this. And I will see you guys at my next video. Thanks for watching.